This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Hey everybody, Jack Kopansky with Pit and Quarry here. I'm at the OAIMA annual meeting down here in Columbus. I am joined by Elliot Archibald with LJ and Supreme. Elliot, thanks for making a little time to talk with me.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jack.
Always appreciate it. First off, another record year here at OAIMA, record attendance, record vendors, record scholarships handed out, another phenomenal year. Just, can you talk a little bit about your experience at the show and what you kind of felt exhibiting at a show with so much engagement and attention?
Absolutely, Jack. So LJ and Supreme, we're members of 9 state associations, and I can say with certainty that OAIMA is certainly one of the strongest. Their engagement with their members, the resources that they provide in the industry and also in the state is without equal. Pat and his team do an amazing job, and this year was no different. It's before long they're going to be growing out of this venue. But reflecting on 2025, record year in the industry, record year in Ohio, and definitely a record year for our company. So what the industry is providing to us and in general is just fantastic. The positivity in the industry right now is just everybody's riding the wave, and hopefully the wave at least stays somewhat consistent. But going into 2026, we've never been this busy over an 18-month to 24-month time period. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us, but nothing but positivity.
Yeah. So what do you kind of expect for 2026? I know there were obviously some headwinds this year, but it seemed like the industry was kind of mostly able to ride, like you said, ride those waves, and some cautious optimism going into next year. What do you kind of maybe hope or expect from 2026?
I think that really one of the only things that is a little bit of an obstacle that we're all dealing with in this industry is some of the tariff-related stuff. That is a little bit of a road bump that we have to drive over, but everybody seems to be pretty understanding of it. We all just need to understand and do a great job of communicating with our customers with transparency. Going into 2026, though, it's been a true blessing for us to already have as much work ahead of us as we can possibly have going into 2026. The growth in the industry, the momentum in the industry is certainly helping us a lot. We always say that we grow with our partners, and our partners are the reason that we're realizing the success that we are. So all of this growth helps us justify investment in our company internally so that we can continue to grow and support our partners. But looking into 2026, we have projects that are going into 2027. Yeah. So just nothing but positivity and nothing but positive momentum. I don't see anything slowing that down.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
We're really glad to hear that.
You bet.
Well, Elliot, appreciate your time.
Jack, thanks for your time.
Always.
Appreciate Pit and Quarry. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.